Get ready for dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Start. India's unemployment rate in May shot up sharply to its highest level in the last 1 year at 11.9% in April, with the second wave of the pandemic forcing stringent lockdowns across states, shows the data from the Center for Indian Economy. The unemployment rate had come down to 10.18% in June 2020 after touching the peak of 23% in April and May 2020 during the nationwide lockdown. As per the data, surge in unemployment rates has been driven by significant increase in urban unemployment rates at 14.73% in May compared to 9.78% in April and unemployment rate at 10.63% as against 7.13% in April 2021. Further, the index of consumer sentiments worsened in May at 48.6% compared to 54.4% in April 2021. It was at 48.6 as of May 30, 2021. Thanks to the second wave of COVID 19, India's economic recovery process is stalled. India needs household incomes and their sentiments to improve substantially before it can hope that they would contribute to the recovery process, CMIE said in its weekly analysis. Government jobs is emerging up with its own piece from centuries, whereas private job has recently taken up the market. Government jobs provide not only facilities but proper timing hours, living status, and the most stability, which makes it overpower the private sectors. As if you do not do a proper work for 1 day or for a month, still you can ensure that you will have a job. Whereas in private sectors, even the senior manager does not know how will he work for the company. Most of the people are interested in getting government job and struggling a lot for it. Even some people some forward to give bribe for getting government job and getting government jobs in some illegal way. The reason for the craziness is safety and secure. Government employees having a lot of benefits compared with private sector employees, as well as they have security and pension for the retired period. College days are said to be the most memorable days of one's life. It is the time when you have most freedom to explore and experiment around with things. But it is also one of the most important phase of one's life, for this is the time when you decide what you want to become in life. However, in India, where students upon entering college believe that they have grown up, the parents still treat them as kids. There are many restrictions still imposed on them. Another major problem faced by the Indian students is high stress levels that they experience between the parents' expectations and peer pressure. They end up losing their own choices and dreams and fall in life with the crowd. The cutthroat competitions to secure a seat in the best colleges across the country leaves many students depressed and dejected, forcing them to resort to wrong means for comfort. Being constantly monitored and their activities kept track of, they become frustrated and lose interest in things soon after starting them. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये मैटर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे शेयर और लाइक करें और कमेंट ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।